Yeah, greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Jamaican. Now, Aidonia and Kimberly is celebrating and having a gender reveal, ladies and gentlemen. It's a beautiful, beautiful, joyous thing. And I man want to say, yo, congratulations to Aidonia and Kimberly on such a joyous situation. Ladies and gentlemen, dancehall artist Aidonia and his wife, Kimberly, Megan, is expecting a little baby boy. Me never want to reveal it for you, but listen to me, ladies and gentlemen. The youth went through a lot in the last few days as his wife, Megan Kimberly, has revealed in a gender reveal that the dancehall artist Aidonia and herself is expecting a little boy, a pair, who has been married since September of 2016, had invited everyone to a baby shower and a gender reveal on Sunday, September 24th. An anxious couple who opt to learn the gender of the baby by releasing smoke from a canister were pleased. The result was Kim jumping for joy while her DJ husband described it as Bossa Blanc. You are gone tea. The attendees also shared their excitement. This is remarkable because news of the pure tragic loss of their 9-year-old son, King Kafleaf, was a devastation to the dancehall and to the family from cancer, ladies and gentlemen. Following Khalif passing, numerous dancehall artists had sent condolences to Aidonia, including his mentor, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Macca Diamond, Shensia, and Popcorn. Although Aidonia, whose real name is Sheldon Lawrence, announced Kim's second pregnancy during his set on the recent held Chris Brown on Friends concert in Kingston, of course, the news that the couple will be having a boy warms the heart of many social media supporters. This is what you call reincarnation. Congratulations to them both, an Instagram user said. Over on X, the comments also excitement, pure joy, excitement. Aidonia and Kim having another boy and I really could just cry, said someone. Just saw Kim and Aidonia video and me nah lie. Tears full up my eye. God, you know, he knows that they need that. It was all his plan. Happy for them. Another added. Meanwhile, another well-wisher said, happy for Aidonia and Kim. They deserve all the peace in the world. Safe landing to them and their baby boy. Ladies and gentlemen, from Deep Roots TV here in Rastafari Soldier, me I go big up the Jenna. You are ganti. Congratulations to Aidonia and Kim. Yeah, I really, really happy for you. Me know say General, losing a child, my lad, is not something that I've experienced, but I just can imagine how heartbreaking that could be. I just say the Jenna is happy all over the screen, smiling, and I am happy for the Jenna also, my lad. Me I tell you, say Kim was excited also because of look how she jump. Look how Kim a jump. Look there. It's like she say, yo, me get my boy back. Yeah, Ganti. And more life and more joy and more happiness. Big up Aidonia. Big up all of the people that have been supporting the artists. Big up yourself, Kim. Beautiful, beautiful lady. You know what I say? And the Jenna, you know, say everything is great. You know what I say? Everything is great. And more life and more joy and more happiness. Me I tell you, say these things, I just love these kind of things, family and friends, just to see these kind of things, my lad. It's just a joy. Yeah, I guarantee it's just a joy. So subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. Just want to send out well wishes and congratulations to Diddy, to Aidonia, and his wife, Kimberly, and more life, and their new, to be son, they displayed that they are very excited and happy. And more life, and more joy, and more happiness. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. I little baby boy. Yeah. Little baby boy. Congratulations, Jenna. Congratulations. Yeah, man, congratulations.